Say Aubrey. Aubrey. Say Mama. Can you say Mimi? Say Mimi. Can you say Ben? Ben. Can you say Louie? Can you say Louie? Can you say Dada?
I believe it was me that got her to say that.
Can you say Louie?
Yeah, you can smoke that one if you want.
You messed it up, didn't you? Bless you. Can I have a kiss? Whoa!
I can't figure out the happy medium.
Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.